We are going to make a YouTube banner, and we are going to set up our guide so that we can use this as a template. Basically, we are creating a template. So the first thing we need to do is go File, New, and set up our canvas. Our canvas width should be 2,560. Our canvas should be 2,560 pixels, and our height should be 1,440 pixels. We can leave everything else at like 8-bit for the RGB and 72 for pixels by inch. And we are going to create. Okay. Now the next thing we need to do is to create our dimensions for our banner so that we can make sure that it doesn't matter what device the person is on, they'll be able to see what we want them to see. So we will use the rectangle, which is selected. We have a color picked, and the stroke is not going to be available because we have it X'd out. So we'll click on the canvas, and now we will put in the dimensions that we want for the desktop, which will be 2,560 by 423. And all these, the height is going to be the same. Oops, there we go. 423. And just click OK. Now you notice that it's not centered. We want it to be centered, so we'll come up to the very top, center it. We also want it to be centered vertically. So we'll just click right there and it will center it for us. We need to do that 3 more times. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Another box, click on the change the color. We want to change the color, but we didn't want to change the color of that box. So we'll change the color of that one box. We need to go back to the background, and then we are going to add the box. Change this fill color, click on the canvas, and now this shape, this one is going to be 1800 by 55, 1,855 by 423. Okay, and it is not centered either, so we will just center that vertically and horizontally. Now, we can't see it. Well, that happens to be because it's not above the other layer we just created, okay? We need to click on the background one more time. We are going to make another rectangle. We are going to change the color of this rectangle. If you want to pick a different color of your choice, let's say you like green. We'll pick this green and go OK. And in this, we'll click on the canvas. This time our dimensions will be 1,546 by 423. So we will type in 1546 and then 423. And we need to center it, so we will do that. Center vertically. And once again, I have it in the wrong location, so we'll bring it to the top, okay? Now we have our dimensions. Now we need rulers and guides to help us. So we will create those. We have our rulers showing. If they aren't showing these numbers on the outside, you can go View, Rulers. See, they just disappeared, so I'm going to bring them back, Rulers. Now all I have to do to create my rulers is drag a line over to here, and now I have a guide. I will drag another one, oops, again, right here. It will snap, and you can see that it's aligned. One more. And now we need to drag from the top to the bottom. And one more. And if we want to group these together, these rectangles, we can group them. Let me bring this over. Just, let's see, does it say merge? Let me bring my, I think I can bring this over. Here we go. I will go shift, and I should be able to group them. Let's see. Link the layers. Oh, I can undo that. Well, I can hide them very easily like this, and now I have my guides. But I'm pretty sure that I can group these. I'm just not seeing where it says link the layers. It says link. Well, I will leave them like that for now. And now we have everything set up for our YouTube banner. We can just put, we know that it doesn't matter what mobile device it will be on. If we this is the main thing that will be showing on a small mobile device. And then if we move back up to this, we know that everything will be seen on a tablet. And we move to this section, we know it'll be seen on a desktop. And that is our goal, is to set up the guides today on here. And I hope this helps you recognize the dimensions of what you will need for your YouTube banner. Thanks for watching.